What is this?
Watermelon.
What? Correct, cousin and glad. Teacher is cutting the watermelon, okay? To play this sensory play, we need to slice this watermelon first. Okay, teacher is slicing this watermelon. Wow, look at this. What's the color inside? Yes, it's red inside and green outside. Okay, then teacher Sankita is going to slice this some more. Okay, make it into a smaller slices. Wow. Wow. And then we slice it some more, okay? Turn this away. Wow, see? Okay, what do we have here? What is this, everybody? Slice of watermelon and Jansu, what is this? What is this? Jansu, what is this? Very good. We have a plate, and then we have some. Glad. What is this? Shape cutter. Yes, correct. Yes, we are going to shape the watermelon in a while. Okay, wait. Then teacher Sankita has a masher. Everybody say masher. Yes. Okay, wait. Wait. After that, teacher Sankita has a filter to filter the watermelon later. Then I have a big bowl. Everybody say bowl. Bowl and some. What is this? Cups. Okay, correct. Now we can start shaping. Okay, Zenzi, you shape ready. What shape is this? Flower. Very good. Do you want to try another one with the star? Okay, you try here. Wait, I cannot see your shape. Can we try a shape here? Hassan, you need help? See? Press it out. Ooh, what shape is this, Hassan? What shape is this? Sir? Sir? Circle, Hassan. Okay, now you need to push it up. Like this. Oops. You see? It's here. Okay, can try again. Let's try again.
How about you, Grace?
Push. Yeah, help teacher to push. Here, like this way. See? See? Give me your hand. Push it out. Push it out. So what shape is this? Glad.
Heart.
Wow. Very good, yes. Now we are going to mash the slices into juice. Okay, Glad, your turn. Mash it. Good. Try harder. Yes. Harder some more. We got some juice here under. You see? Press it harder. Yes, very good. Glad. You're doing a good job. Okay, now let's pass the turn to cousin. Okay, cousin's turn. Cousin, your turn. Good, yes. Harder. Yes. Cousin's turn, okay? Then teacher will give you back. Yes. Press some more, okay? Harder. Oh, very good, cousin. Some more, cousin. Press all the shapes out. Very good, cousin. Okay, now Zen sister. Press harder, Zen sister. Some more Zen sister. Wow, very good. I can see a lot of juice coming up. Yes. So wait. Okay. Okay, after we mash it off. Wow, wait, can you see what's inside? Watermelon juice. Yes, you're right. Okay, now Zensu, cousin, everybody look here. We are going to take a cup and pour the juice inside. Good. And we are going to enjoy the drink. And now we do some cleanup, okay? Oops. Right. Can you help me to put inside the plastic? Thank you. Right now, let's stack up the cups. Put inside. Oh, yes, thank you. Right now, let's clean the table. Okay, some more. Yes. Good job.